Hi there, I'm Jeremy Krug, the field engineer for the Western USA for Cambridge Sound Management, here to talk about some of the new stuff we're showing at InfoComm 2018. Many of you are familiar already with our direct field sound masking speakers and the ease of installation for our slip ring that is included with every speaker for mounting into grid ceiling tiles. However, of course, grid ceiling tiles are rapidly going away, and we're seeing a lot of open deck, drywall, and other applications. So historically, what we have used for our open deck installations is our universal bracket that can mount either directly up to the surface of a ceiling or hang from a threaded rod. But looking for something that looks nicer in the architectural space, we've introduced our new Pendant Mount for InfoComm 2018, available in white or black. I've got it as a close-up down here. The cylinder for it will hold either the active or passive sound masking speaker for the direct field speaker. And then what is very nice and unique about it is it includes a 20-foot cable that goes up to the ceiling mount that has the little circuit board in it for our in, out, and through to continue our daisy chain speaker arrangement and allow the installer to have this land at a junction box up at the ceiling, have the cabling pre-placed, and then place the speakers where they adjust the speaker height along that 20-foot cable, cut off what's not needed, mount very easily, and then secure the speakers down the bottom. So that is one of the new mounting options available for the QT Pro system from Cambridge Sound. Visit us at cambridgesound.com to see this and a lot of other new products that we're showing. Thank you.